This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Rahul Chatterjee. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has spoken to Assam Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal on various issues including flood and erosion, COVID-19 and Bagjan oil well fire. The Chief Minister apprised him of the situations and measures being taken by the Assam government, and the Prime Minister assured all help to tackle the situations. The flood situation has improved in the state yesterday. However, 25 lakh people are still reeling under the fury of floods in 25 districts. The death toll due to floods has gone up to 84. The Chief Minister has visited Mayong Revenue Circle at Morigao district yesterday and assessed the flood situation. He took a boat ride along with two ministers, Keshav Mahanta and Piyush Hazarika. Mr. Sonowal met people at the relief camps and informed about relief measures being taken by the government. 85% area of the Kaziranga National Park is also underwater. So far, 134 animals have been rescued. Meghalaya and Tripura yesterday reported 2 fresh deaths each due to COVID-19. In Tripura, 2 patients succumbed to the virus at Agartala Government Medical College in Agartala, taking the death toll to 5. Another 171 persons, including 82 BSF personnel, have tested COVID-19 positive in Tripura. So far, the state has registered 2,668 COVID-positive cases, out of which 914 active cases and 1,735 COVID patients have recovered. In Meghalaya, 2 COVID-19 patients, 1 geologist and 1 BSF personnel passed away at the Northeastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences yesterday, taking the total number of deaths due to COVID-19 to 4. Meanwhile, 32 fresh COVID-19 positive cases were reported in Meghalaya yesterday, including 29 BSF personnel. There are 397 active cases out of the total 450 cases. So far, 49 persons have recovered. In Assam, inter-district movement will be barred from the 22nd of this month to prevent the spread of COVID-19 until further orders. Chief Secretary Kumar Sanjay Krishna said for medical and last right emergencies, movement will be allowed only with written permission from the Deputy Commissioner of the originating district. However, movement of goods will be continued. Meanwhile, the Unlock 1 came into force at Kamrup Metro District, including Guwahati, from yesterday night to 2nd of August with various relaxations. Opening of shops and business establishments with conditions at Kamrup Metro District, including Guwahati City, will be allowed from Monday to Friday. Government and private offices will operate with 30% of all workforces in the district. In Manipur, 53 people were discharged from COVID care centers after recovery, while 20 persons, including 6 females, have tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 24 hours. The patients have been shifted to the COVID care centers. Except 2 persons, all are returnees from other states. The number of affected people is 1,911 and 676 active cases. The number of persons who have recovered is 1,235 with a recovery rate of 64.62%. 10 more persons have tested positive for COVID-19 in Sikkim, taking the state's tally to 283. Of the total 283 cases, 193 are active, as 90 patients have recovered from the disease. Director General cum Secretary Health, Dr. Pemati Bhutia, said all the 10 new COVID-19 patients have been admitted in the isolation ward of STNM Hospital. In Nagaland, 13 more persons have recovered from COVID-19 infection, adding the state's recovery tally to 445. The recovery rate now stands at 45%. The state has 988 COVID-19 positive cases after 10 new positive cases were reported yesterday. The new cases included 6 in Kohima, 2 in Mokokchung, and 1 each in Dimapur and Longleng. There are 543 active cases in the state, out of which 539 patients are asymptomatic. 92.1% of the COVID-19 patients are in the age group of 18 to 44 years. In Mizoram, 2 more persons have tested positive for COVID-19 yesterday, taking the state's caseload to 284. Of the 284 cases, 117 are active, while 167 people have recovered. And the Meghalaya Board of School Education will declare the results of the Class 10 or Secondary School Leaving Certificate examination today at 10 a.m. on its official website. The results can be checked online at mbos.in. There will be no display of the results in MBOS office, Tura or Shillong, and even in the examination centers due to COVID-19 situation. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.